If you're currently looking to sell your home, I have some tips for you on determining your home's value. So I'm Tasha with eXp Realty. I'm going to give you some tips on how to accurately price your home in order to get it sold quickly. So let's just get right into it. In order to know your home's value, what you're going to want to do is you're going to look within a mile radius. You're going to start in your neighborhood, in that area, see what homes are selling in your neighborhood, and then of course you're going to want to take into consideration what their home looks like compared to yours. Is your landscaping better? Like, do you have better curb appeal than they do? Do you have a pool and they don't? Are they closer to the highway? Because that's going to matter to people as well. And also factoring in any upgrades that you've made on the home. And if your home has an ADU, so an additional dwelling unit, that's definitely going to be a big factor in determining your home's value. If you factor in any of the recent updates or improvements you made to the house, that's definitely going to make a big deal, especially if you're making updates to the home that is, with the current trends, and you are using, up-to-date coloring, and, all of your flooring and countertops and decor are matching what everybody is looking for and what the average buyer is looking for, then that is definitely going to play a big role in if your home is, with just pricing your home and knowing what your home's value is. And how you determine that is based upon, like, if your home is upgraded and the neighbors is not and they're sold for $900, you can definitely bet that your home is going to sell for pretty far above what theirs sold for. So those are some things to take into consideration when you are pricing your home out. Just be willing to adjust your sale price if needed. So if you adjust it to $900 and you don't have anybody looking at your home, then you're definitely going to want to adjust that down within a few weeks if it's not selling. So just be willing to adjust it according to the market, and definitely consulting a local realtor. You can contact me. I'm in the Los Angeles area. We cover a very large service area, so we cover all the way from Ventura County all the way to San Diego. So if you are looking to sell your home, the best thing to do is reach out to me. I could give you a more accurate evaluation of what your home might sell for in today's market. So I'd be happy to meet with you. If you want to go ahead, schedule a call with me down below, and I'd be happy to give you a free, no obligation consultation just to help you with determining your home's value. If you found this video helpful, please do me a favor, subscribe, comment down below, and that would make me happy. I appreciate that. So I have other videos as well on this channel. Please be sure to check them out, and I'll see you next time.